Welcome back to Road Hunter PK, where we bring you the perfect blend of raw power and sophisticated design. Today, we are looking at a machine that is as much a work of art as it is a high-performance motorcycle. We are talking about the all-new 2026 Honda CB1000R Black Edition. In a world full of aggressive, alien-looking street fighters, Honda has taken a different path with their Neo Sports Cafe design language. The 2026 model is a masterclass in minimalism, finished almost entirely in deep, metallic black. From the forks to the exhaust, and even the swing arm, everything is drenched in shadows, giving it a mysterious and intimidating presence that we call the Dark Knight. This bike doesn't need flashy colors to get attention, its silhouette and mechanical beauty do all the talking. Underneath that gorgeous blacked-out exterior lies a heart of pure gold. The CB1000R is powered by a 998 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled inline-four engine that traces its roots back to the legendary Fireblade. For 2026, Honda has refined the PGM-FI fuel injection and optimized the air intake to provide a more linear and muscular power delivery. We are looking at 143 horsepower and 104 Nm of torque. But what makes this engine special is the way it feels in the mid-range. It doesn't just scream at high RPMs, it pulls hard from every gear, making it the ultimate weapon for city streets and winding backroads. The sound of the 4-in-1 exhaust system has been tuned to provide a deep, bassy growl at idle that transforms into a crisp, metallic howl as you open the throttle. Visually, the 2026 Black Edition is defined by its attention to detail. The round LED headlight is a modern take on a classic design, featuring a signature light ring that gives it a high-tech look. The fuel tank is sculpted and smooth, flowing perfectly into a slim, brushed metal seat cowl. One of the most striking features is the single-sided swing arm, which exposes the beautifully designed rear wheel, a feature usually reserved for much more expensive Italian exotics. For 2026, Honda has added subtle carbon fiber accents on the front fender and airbox covers, further elevating the Black Edition prestige. Technology on the 2026 CB1000R is focused on the rider's experience. You get a new 5-inch full-color TFT display that is integrated with the Honda smartphone voice control system. The electronics package is comprehensive, featuring 4 riding modes: rain, standard, sport, and a fully customizable user mode. The 3-level traction control and engine braking control allow you to tailor the bike's behavior to your exact preference. For the 2026 model, the bidirectional quickshifter comes as standard, allowing for lightning-fast gear changes without ever touching the clutch. Handling is where the CB1000R truly surprises. It feels much lighter than it looks, thanks to the mass centralized design and the high-quality Showa separate function fork big piston at the front. The suspension is tuned for a balance between sporty firmness and everyday comfort, making it a bike you can actually ride for hours without getting tired. Braking is handled by twin radial mount 4-piston calipers that offer incredible bite and feel, giving you total confidence whether you're filtering through traffic in Islamabad or pushing the limits on a mountain pass. As we conclude our review of the 2026 Honda CB1000R Black Edition, it's clear that Honda has created something truly special. It is a bike for the mature rider who wants leader-class performance without the flashy plastic fairings. It is elegant, powerful, and undeniably cool. Thank you for joining us on Road Hunter PK. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and tell us in the comments. We want to hear from you. Until next time, stay safe, ride with style, and we will see you in the next one.